Good morning, afternoon, or evening, or after morning. I like after morning. I'm the Maine digger, and this video is solely about metal detecting. Okay, I will add one more thing. That I got another new piece of gear. I've had it for a while, I just haven't used it. It's been out for a long time. I don't even know what GoPro's name for it, but it's bendy and it's cool, and I just love using it. What I love the most is that I can find it. So by far, this is probably one of my favorite pieces of equipment, camera equipment. Not the GoPro. Well, the GoPro, I love the GoPro. I love GoPros. But this handle is awesome. I can take it anywhere. I can do anything with it, almost anything. But the ability to use these as hooks and hold it down on like a tree, just awesome to me. Also, another thing I love is when I lose it, I can see it. Love that orange. The orange, because a lot of times I'll put my stuff down in one spot and forget about it and be like, oh wait, I need to go find it again, and the orange makes it that much easier. But this video, this detecting hunt was awesome. It was just awesome. Okay, I'll tell a story because I can't keep a secret. So I found another axe head. I didn't even use the metal detector. I don't even need a metal detector on this location. This is awesome. So, like, it's the same. We're going back to I'm going back to the same location that I was last time. The old house site. I've dated. I think I dated to 1850 around that time. It's had multiple different owners. It was torn down in the 90s. But this. So I went to go put my GoPro down and go metal detecting, and I put it down next to this axe head that was sticking out of the ground, or sticking out of something, out of the dirt, and on this cool old foundation. And I didn't even need to use a metal detector. I didn't even dig anything. I didn't use anything to dig it out. It just came out. And I don't think it's an axe head. I think it's a hatchet. But it's just cool. Like, I was like, oh man, yes. Anyway, I found a couple other cool things. A first, if it is what I think it is, it's a first for me. Very cool. It's just very, very cool. It was an exciting day. Quick little hunt. I kept trying to go metal detecting, but I'd find something new that would distract me, and I'd go explore. So it was. I did a lot of metal detecting. I just went all over. That's how I am. It's just how it is. Mainly dig out. So I found something cool. I think it's cool. I don't know what it is. Well, it's a whole bunch of entangled wires. This, I think, is something. I don't know what the rest of it is. This is loose, and this is loose. And it's, I don't know, I just thought it was cool. I don't know what it is, what it was used for. Probably somebody was bored and like just tangled it together. I don't know, but cool first find. I am back at the spot I was on, the old farm. We went up in there, and that's where all the glass is and stuff like that. So I'm going to stay away from that side. I might go exploring, not with a metal detector, just go inside or go in that little outcrop right there. There's a spot I want to go see. But I'm going to do some metal detecting first. Oh, some type of plate. Still got a nail or what on it. Bolt. I don't know. Oh my goodness. This is a first time find to me. For me. If it is what I think it is, I think it's the part of a buttstock. Like where it goes on the actual buttstock, at the end of the buttstock. I have never found one of these, and if it is, oh, I'm still excited. But like, this is awesome. That is pretty cool. It's awesome, not pretty cool, it's awesome. So at first I dug a hole and I found this guy, which kind of looks like something, but I've been fooled before with other metals that have been melted down, or there was a fire. Lead, there we go. Melted lead. So I was like, okay, whatever, but I kept getting signals, and there it definitely looks like a shape of something. And then clearly it's very muddy, it's very wet right here. I'm kind of sinking in too. I found this and I was like, that is something. I don't know what it is, but it has a shape, and I'm definitely found something. Pieces is what I found, but I found something. Then I found this guy and this guy, so those are gonna come home and get cleaned up, and hopefully I'll find out what it is, or probably just have more mysteries. Oh, you got some random junk there. See, I was coming to check out this tree. I was gonna try to do metal detect around it or under it on the near the roots and stuff to find stuff. But then I saw this and I was like, well, shoot. But it's still cool. So last time I was here, I was trying to find some of the old foundation stones. I found some, but they weren't, you know, old enough. So look, I guess I didn't really try hard enough. Found them, but this is cool. Ooh, I see something over there. So I literally just sat the GoPro down to go get the metal detector, which is behind me, and I saw this, which looks like an axe head, and it is an axe head. This is not a good place for someone like me, because I just like, I find stuff and I'm like, oh wait, first I'm going metal detect, wait, no, so I'm trying metal detect right now, and I keep finding cool things to look at. So down in my dungeon or lab, depending on who you talk to, I am curious about this. Could be a butt plate. I'm pretty sure it's a butt plate, but I want to check what metal it was or what it was made out of. Also, just review, like this is cool. So I have a magnet off my fridge. Yes, it's a heart. So it attaches to the hatchet and it attaches to this doesn't, I don't think it attaches to that. Nope. And it doesn't, I've already checked, it doesn't attach to that. So, and it doesn't attach to the butt plate. So the butt plate might be aluminum. I might have to, it's not steel, or it's not iron for sure. So I'm gonna have to correct myself. I don't think this is that old, actually, due to the fact that if it was older, it'd be brass or steel. It's not magnetic. And if it was brass, where I scratched it right here, you would have a brassy color, a yellowish color. And I think it's just aluminum. which would be, if it's a butt plate, would be the early 60s. So, still cool. But I also want to check out the hatchet. So it was sticking straight out like this. Good thing I didn't sit on it, but it still has like an edge. I mean, wouldn't chop very well, but like it still has an edge. So this side is, I mean, pretty much rust free. This side's need a little work, but I don't know how old it is. I can see where they were hitting something or banging something with it, maybe chopping wood, I don't know, anything. Definitely a hatchet though. That is cool. This thing, it's definitely something. I don't know what it is. Be cool to find out someday. Who knows?